Make your own planes of the head drawing reference. Learning how to draw the human head properly is a lifelong process. There is always something new to learn every step of the way. Many artists have a version of the planes of the head reference somewhere in their studio. Having something like this greatly aids in the understanding of the basic geometric form of the head, as well as being a great shadow tone shading guide. I'll be sharing the resulting Papercraft file with you so that you too can print it out in a few pieces of A4 size papers and with a little patience and glue, construct one of your very own in real life. It's a fun activity for even children to do to get them interested in the basic form structure of the human head. There are a few variations of this out there, but the best one I have encountered thus far that is the most no-nonsense, straightforward and simple is the one that comes along with ZBrush. There are a few others that purport to do the same thing, but they are either overly complicated or they downright lie and contain subtle curves in their design. I don't want curves in my planes of the head sculpture, no matter how little or subtle they are. I don't want it. I want it to be an honest, simplified head, constructed out of just flat surfaces. When I first import the model into Blender, it was way too dense to be made into a Papercraft, so I have to reconstruct the wireframe to its basic simplified form. This process is called retopolization, where a simplified wireframe is constructed on top of an existing denser wireframe. The program I'm doing this in is a free 3D program called Blender, and it is completely free. Once again, the program that we're looking at right now is called Blender. It is a program capable of 3D modeling, texturing, 3D sculpting, 3D animation, video editing, 2D drawing, 2D animation, and probably a few other stuff that I do not know of at this point in time. So it's free. Please download it and give it a try. Once it is done, I transferred the model into another program called Papercraft that unfolds/breaks apart the model so that it can be printed and reconstructed from paper into an upright physical sculpture. If you have the time, feel free to paint over it to make it look even better. Once you have this sculpture in physical form, every day for 30 seconds, close your eyes and feel the form of the head from various angles. Over time, you will have a mental image of the simplified human head form within your noodles, and you will find your head drawing skill greatly improved. Next week, we will talk about how to use this knowledge and reverse it the other way around. How to draw your own custom designed head on paper, and using this head reference, construct the 3D base mesh of your head drawing in any 3D program quickly and easily. Update! It has been a few days since this video was published, and I have since made a number of refinements to this model so that it is more aesthetically accurate as a drawing reference. Also, a number of you have mentioned that the number of pieces required, 160 pieces to be exact, are way too much to handle, and I was surprised that I even have viewers who wanted to construct this out of aluminum sheets and have asked for a version with far fewer pieces to manage. So I give you version 2. Instead of 160 pieces, you only need to deal with 33 pieces. The distance around this area of the nose has been changed to be more aesthetically pleasing. The tilt of the head is now truly facing forward instead of what it was previously, with a slight tilt up, which was just not that good for actual reference. The way the ear connects to the head is now more consistent from both the top and the bottom side. This is one of those minor things you wouldn't appreciate until you start using this as form memorization for drawing. The eyes are set deeper for that really gorgeous, handsome look. All in all, this is just much better looking in every way. The 160 pieces are still available for download for free, but if you want this 33 pieces visually improved version, you can get it for just $1.50 in Gumroad. But if you are already part of my Patreon, all you have to do is message me for the printout and I will send it to you. Thank you for your support. This is Bracer Jack, and I will see you not next week, but in just a few days. Goodbye for now.